To track changes happening to a record in a specific module, you no longer have to visit every action happening to a record individually. As you can see here, I've got a list of all the changes. For example, I can view the dates that the change had happened, the details of the change, and even I can see who had changed something in the module. For example, 10 days ago, admin 1 updated the phone number from the previous one to a new one. From Home, I choose Configuration and then Changes History. Here, you'd be able to enable or disable any module that you would like to view changes history for. As you can see, here I've got the list. For whichever module you enable changes history, a timeline will be created. Let's test it. For example, now I disabled it. As you can see here, that's simple, and I would like to enable the changes history view for contacts once again. Now that the changes are saved, I come to the target module. Here for me is the contacts, okay, and if I go with the updates, I'd see that admin test created this contact 1 minute ago, so you can see every detail related to the chosen module.